Hello, Maurice here, A1 Roofing Services, KangaRoof, out of Maryland, serving the Maryland, D.C., and Northern Virginia areas. Just want to speak to you today about Roofing Insights. I've been a member of Roofing Insights since December of 2019. I came across them on the internet and started reading some of the articles that they had on there. We started following Dimitri and the Roofing Insights team, and it's a real nice community. A group of like-minded roofing companies, roofing owners, and roofers that exchange ideas on how to better serve our customers and everything. So it is a good organization to be a member of, and you really can't go wrong if you are on the fence about, joining. I'm also a member of, I'm one of the students in the business school, and I've learned a lot since within these last 6 months that I've been a member of Roofing Insights. I've been in the business for about 19 years. I've been doing a lot of things on the administrative side from an old school standpoint. So I've actually catapulted my business just from the little bit of time that I've been a member of Roofing Insights. So yeah, if you're thinking about, joining Roofing Insights, or even getting on the directory, you can't go wrong. It's a good investment that will definitely pay for itself. So again, that's my name is Maurice Harrison.